So now let's do this one right here. Okay, so to do this one, we're going to do the same thing, the same mode of attack that we did on this one. Because we have a function of x inside of the exponent, we're going to take the natural log of both sides because we have this really cool trick where this guy would drop down. What are you talking about? Let's see. If I take the natural log of g of x, that would equal the natural log of x to the sine of x. Okay, so I'm going to take this and drop him because he's inside of a logarithm. We can do that. So we have sine of x multiplied by the natural log of x. And then this guy right here, as I showed previously, this equals g prime of x over g of x. So that's kind of like a formula. That's using the chain rule to derive this. The chain rule. All right. So now we have this. To take the derivative of this, we write d over dx of both sides. That says that we're taking the derivative of both sides. This one right here. Whoops, I messed up. I'm not supposed to do this just yet. We're taking the derivative of the natural log of g of x. Sorry. I just have it in my head and I started writing answers down. So the derivative of this is going to be g prime of x over g of x. The other side, the derivative of this, we're going to have to use the product rule. So the derivative of sine x, what's that? Cosine x. And then we have multiplied by natural log of x. Plus the derivative of the second one, which is 1 over x, and we're multiplying that times sine x, the other one. Now let's kind of take a shortcut here. This whole thing is going to get multiplied. It's going to get multiplied by the g of x because I want the g prime all alone. So if I multiply this by g of x, we get g prime all alone, which is what we're trying to do. We're trying to find the derivative of g. Then on this side, if we multiply this by g of x, what would that be? Okay, let's see. We got natural log of x cosine times cosine of x plus that would be sine x over x, and this is being multiplied by g of x. What's g of x? G of x is right there. X raised to the sine of x. Alright, now some of you guys might go, well, can you distribute this? Well, yeah, you can, but is it going to simplify anything? No, it actually just makes things look a little more complicated. You can leave it like that. This is our answer for that. Only like distribute and stuff if you can make it look more simple.